Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out on the Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty game on your device, and once it is fully loaded, log into your account using your Facebook or your Call of Duty account. After logging in, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can start your game if you wish to do so. Now, once you're inside the game, you will be able to see that you are not able to zoom in or zoom out by simply pinching on the screen. In order to zoom in, you will need to use a scope for your weapon. So first of all, go ahead and find a weapon for your game that you can use, within which you can add your scope in order to zoom in and zoom out. Once you have found your weapon of choice, you can enter within the shooting mode by tapping on the scope icon above the shoot icon on your right side. Once you tap on this option, this will open up the scope within your game. Now, if you wish to zoom in or zoom out, then you will find a slider at the bottom or the right side of your screen that you can drag in order to zoom in and zoom out, considering that you have an expandable scope. And there you have it. That is how you can zoom in and zoom out within your game on the Call of Duty mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.